Batman and his suits have evolved a lot over the years, so let's take a look at the top 10 best Batman suits of all time. Number 10 is the Michael Keaton Batman suit. Now, he can't move his neck with this, but he can say, "I'm Batman," and this is quite frankly an iconic suit. Number 9 is the Batman vs. Superman Batman suit. It's stealthy and more tactical, and the Nightmare version is really cool. Number 8 is the Complete Hush Batman suit. It's so gritty, even though it has the blue on it. It's quite frankly awesome. I like it a lot. Number 7 is the Batman Beyond Tactical suit from Arkham Knight. Takes the classic and makes it better. I mean, look at this thing. It's awesome. He kinda almost looks like the Arkham Knight, too. Now, number 6, this is a really awesome cosplayer named Justin Cheekley, and look at this thing. This is incredible. Based off of the Batman Arkham Origin suit, it looks like a movie suit, and he made it with 3D printing. Number 5 is the Batman Detective Comics number 27 first appearance suit. It's awesome, and kind of looks like a newer Batman suit. Number 4 is the Red Sun Batman suit. This is awesome. Look at all that winter padding for when Batman had to fight in cold Russia. It's a really, really cool suit. And number 3 is the Batman Power Armor suit. This is really cool. Sometimes it's even laced with kryptonite for when he has to fight Superman. Number 2 is the Dark Knight suit. This is awesome. Tactical, stealthy, and simple. It's an iconic suit for the most realistic and iconic Batman movie of all time. And number 1, the Arkham Knight Batsuit. This is when Batman had to go to war. It's a mixture of the Batman v Superman and the Power Armor suit because it has the plates, but Batman can still maneuver fast in it. It's quite frankly my favorite Batman suit.